by taking out a common factor, by grouping method, and by using the identity a square minus b square. Here in this exercise, we will factorize the expressions by using the identities a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So, in order to factorize, means to do the factorization of the given expressions, first you should be perfect with the identities which you have learned in your 8th standard, right? So, those identities, if you are perfect, you can solve easily this factorization. Okay, so next we are having the identities a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube means what? It is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And next a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here, in order to do the factorization, you should be perfect with the identities. Okay, that is mainly a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. At least with these 5 identities, if you are perfect, you can easily solve the expressions, means you can easily factorize the given expressions. Okay, so next exercise we are going to solve the problems based on these identities a cube plus b cube, that is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These are the 2 identities which we are going to use in this exercise. Okay. So now is exercise 4C. First problem. Factorize x cube plus 64. X cube plus 64. So here we are using cube. So we have to make the terms in terms of cubes. In the previous exercise we have expressed it in terms of squares. Here we will express it in terms of cubes. Okay. So now x cube, it is already in a cube. And this 64 in terms of cube, what we can write? 64 is a cube of 4. So 4 cube. Okay. So now you see it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube means what? It is a plus b into a square minus ab. So a cube plus b cube. I am writing the identity here. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So what we can write? In place of a we are having x, in place of b we are having 4. Okay. So a plus b means what? X plus 4 into a square means what? X square minus ab minus 4x plus b square means 4 square. So what we can write? X plus 4 into x square minus 4x plus 16. Okay. So this will be the factors of the given expression. Okay. So our next question. 8a cube plus 27b cube. So first express it in terms of cubes. 8 in terms of cubes, what we can write? 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube a cube plus 27 means 3 cube b cube. So what we can write? 2a whole cube plus 3b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube. What we can write? A cube plus b cube means identity a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b means 2a plus 3b into a square means what? 2a whole square minus ab. 2a into 3b plus b square means 3b whole square. So what we can write here? This will be same 2a plus 3b into 2a whole square means 4a square minus 2 3s are 6 ab plus 9b square. Okay. So our next question, 7a cube plus 56b cube. Okay, so first we have to express the given numerical values and the variables in terms of cubes. Now you see 7. 7 is a prime number. We cannot express it in terms of powers. Okay, so it is a single digit number. And in a cubes we cannot express at all. So here 56 is there. 56 also it is not a cubic term. So what we should do, we have to take a 7 common outside. See, this is also a multiple of 7, 56. So first what we will do, we will take 7 as a common factor outside. So what do we get? 7 a cube plus 7, how many times it is 56? 8 times. So 8 b cube. Okay. So 7 if we take it out, a cube, this is already in terms of cube, and 8 in terms of cubes, what we can write? 2 cube. Okay. So plus 2 cube b cube. So 7 into a cube plus 2b whole cube. So this is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So what we can write? 7 into a plus 2b into a square minus a into 2b plus 2b whole square. Okay. So what we can write? 7 into a plus 2b into a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. Okay, so these are the factors of this expression. Okay, so next question. So in order to factorize this, first we will take x square as a common factor. Okay, so if we take x square as a common factor here, what do we get? X square I am taking out as a common factor. So what do we get here? X cube plus 1. Okay, so x cube means 1, see 1 we can write it as even cube also. See 1 square, 1 cube, 1 power 50, 1 power 100. Whatever 1 power will be there, that will be equals to 1 itself, right? So instead of taking 1 and taking it as a 1 cube. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube means what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so what do we get? X square into x plus 1 into x square minus x into 1 plus 1 square. Okay, so x square into x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So these are the factors of this expression. So our next question, x power 4 plus 54x. Okay, so now here what common factors we can take? You see, 16 we cannot express it in terms of cube. X power 4 is there. 54 also we cannot express it as a cube term, and this single x term. So if you observe here, x power 4 is there, here x is there. So from this what common we can take? We can take x as a common. And from these two what common we can take? 2 as a common factor. So what common we are taking here? 2x we will take it out as a common factor. Okay, so 2x if we take it out, here what will be remaining? X cube. Okay, plus 54x. X we have taken out, and also from 54, 2 is taken as a common. So what will be remaining here? 27. Okay, so now you see 2x into 8 in terms of cube, what we can write? 2 cube, right? 2 cube x cube plus 27 in terms of cube, what we can write? 3 cube. Okay, so now you see 2x into 2x whole cube plus 3 cube. So a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So what we can write? 2x into a plus b means 2x plus 3 into a square means 2x whole square minus ab means 2x into 3 plus b square means 3 square. Okay, so what do we get here? 2x into 2x plus 3 into 4x square minus 2 3s are 6x plus 9. So these are the factors of this expression. Okay. So next question. 216x cube plus 1 by 27. Okay. So 216 in terms of cubes. See, if you are not able to write, means directly if you are not able to find the cubic value of this any numbers, what we have to do? We have to do the prime factorization. Okay, you all know about this prime factorization. So now I am doing the prime factorization here. Of course, the value of 216 is 6 cube, but some people may not be able to do that directly. But one thing what I want to say is, if you are about to solve this factorization of the cubic values, you should be at least learn at least the cubic values till 20, even the square values also. If you are perfect with the square values and cubic values at least till 20, then easily we can solve. Means we need not waste time to factorize all this, means the prime factorization need not do all those things. Okay, if you are able to write it directly, we can save the time. Okay, so 216 prime factorization I am doing here. So prime factorization means with what we will start? We will start with the 2. So 2, 1, 0, 8. Again with the 2, 54. Again with the 2, 27. 3, see it is not possible with 2, so 3 I am taking. 9, Again with the 3 ones. Okay. So see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. See, 3 2s and 3 3s are there. So each one if we pair like this, so 3 pairs, 2 3s are 6. So what do we get? 6 cube. Okay. So 216 cubic value is 6 cube. Okay. So 6 cube x cube plus 1 by 3 cube. So I am writing this as 6x whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube by using the law of exponent. Okay. And now a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So what do we get? 6x plus 1 by 3 means a plus b into a square means what? 6x whole square minus ab means 6x into 1 by 3 plus b square. Okay, so what do we get? 6x plus 1 by 3 into 6x whole square means what? 36x square means the square will be applicable for both 6 and x. So what do we get? 36x square. Here you see this 3 and 6 we can cancel. We will get it as 2. So minus 2x plus 1 by 3 square means 9. Of course 1 square value is 1 itself. So you won't write it as again 1 square. So 1 by 9. So these are the factors of this expression. Okay. Okay. So next a power 6 plus b power 6. We have to factorize this. First we will express it in terms of cubes. Okay. See here, of course we know we are solving by the identity a cube plus b cube. Suppose if it is of a square plus b square, do we get that? No, because we don't have the identity a square plus b square. Okay, so we will first express it in terms of cubes only, not in terms of squares. Okay, so in terms of squares means what do we, how do we express it as? So a power 6 means a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. Suppose if it is in terms of squares means how do we write? A cube whole square plus b cube whole square. But we don't have any identity for this a square plus b square. So we will express it in terms of cubes like this. Suppose if it is minus means we can write even in a squares also, because we have a square minus b square identity. But we don't have a square plus b square identity. Okay. So here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube means what? A square plus b square into a square whole square minus a square b square plus b square whole square. Okay, so what do we get? A square plus b square into a power 4 minus a square b square plus b power 4. So these will be the factors of this expression. Next, a power 4 plus 343a. From these two terms, what common we can take? A we can take it out as a common. So remaining will be a cube minus 343. So for 343 the cubic value is 7 cube. Okay. So a into a cube minus 7 cube. So a cube minus, sorry, it is plus, plus. So a cube plus b cube. What do we get? A into a plus 7 into a square minus 7a plus 7 square. So what do we get? A into a plus 7 into a square minus 7a plus 49. Okay. So this will be the factors of a power 4 plus 343 8. One 125x cube plus 1. So 125x cube in terms of cube, what we can write? See, 125 cube in terms of cube means it is 5 cube. Okay. So 5 cube x cube plus 1 we can write it as 1 cube. So this we can write it as 5x whole cube plus 1 cube. A cube plus b cube. So what do we get? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So 5x plus 1 into 25x square minus 5x plus 1. So now these are the factors of this expression.